Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Yamaha R15 V3 BS6 model, which now comes in the metallic red color. Also we will talk about the mileage and the positive points of this bike. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do subscribe, and without a delay let's start the video. So starting from the front, here we get the transparent windscreen with the number plate mount. The look is quite aggressive, and in the front we get the LED headlamps as well. Talking about the front tire profile, here we get the 100 by 80 section, 17 inches of tubeless tire, and if you see here we will get the alloys in the front, as well as this bike comes with the dual channel ABS. So this is the left side profile of this bike, and this metallic red color is looking dope on this bike, as well as the fuel tank is quite big in size. Now talking about the engine capacity, this bike comes with the 155cc of engine, which generates 18.6 PS of power with 14.1 Newton meters of torque. Along with this bike comes with this 6-speed gearbox. In the rear you will get the sari guard, and on the rear wheel you will see the rim tapes in the red and the grey color. This bike comes with the open chain system, so you have to clean and lube the chain after 400 to 500 kilometers. Well, this red color part is a grab handle of this bike, and it is designed very well. In the rear you will get the LED tail lamp with the bulb indicators. As I told that this bike comes with the dual channel ABS. In the rear you will get the disc. Rear tire profile is of 140 by 70 section with 17 inches of tire, which is obviously tubeless. You will get the monoshock suspension in this bike, but the suspension quality is average. This is the right side profile of this bike, and the engine cowl you will get in the grey color with the Yamaha written on it, and this is how bike looks from the right side. Now talking about the instrument console, you will get the fully digital instrument console with the modern features. Here you will get the split handlebars, which gives you aggressive sitting posture. Well, talking about the buttons, in the left you will get the low beam, high beam indicator and the horn button, and on the right side you will get the engine kill switch with the self start button. The most beautiful thing on this bike is the fuel tank. The design, the cutouts and the size is quite managed very well, and here you will get the 11 liters of fuel tank. Now talking about the seat, here you will get the split seat on this bike. Rider seat is quite comfortable, and it is spacious, and it is very good in the cushioning as well, and it is very good for the long touring for the rider. But the pillion seat is quite small, and I would not recommend this bike for the pillion. So the ex-showroom price of this metallic red color is 1.52 lakhs, and the on-road price of this bike will be around 1.80 lakhs. It may vary according to state. So here are some positive things which I would like to tell you of this bike. So in this bike you will get the more power. According to 150cc, this bike has more power, and this is the most selling sports bike in India, which is obviously a good looking bike. Well, the mileage of this bike will be around 45 to 50 kmpl, which will give you range of about 450 to 500 kilometers. Also in this bike you will get the dual channel ABS. It is rarely seen that in the 150cc category you will get the dual channel ABS. Well, these are some positive points which I wanted to tell you, and this is it for now guys. If you have some questions, please let me know in the comment section. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and thanks for watching.